KG Auto. I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, good morning, viewer. KG Auto here again. Beautiful day in New York City. I'm grateful that I'm alive. Every time you wake up, you have to thank God for another day. It's not a joke. If you think it's a clock that wake you up in the morning, try to put it closer to a dead man and see. It will never wake. So be grateful no matter what is going on in your life. Just be thankful that you are still here. A lot of people died in the COVID, but we are still here. But anyway, enough of that, KG Auto. I have a 2019 here, it's a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Apparently the blower motor is not working. So let me flip the camera around. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Support your boy in any way you can. It takes one to know one. It takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. You better believe that. I haven't said that, KG. Let's go. We're getting it right now. So this is the fuse box. You just go right here, push this button, you open it up. Okay? So this is the fuse. It has a lot of 40 fuse, but this is the one for the blower motor. So I checked it, as you can see, it's not blown. Check it, not blown, everything was okay. So what I did next was, let me come in the car, just showing you what I did. You use that also. So I come underneath here. The blower motor is underneath here. So I just like tap it while the car is running and the blower kick off. That's how I know the blower motor is bad. The owner wanted to buy a resistor. I said, no, just get the blower motor. So this is the one that he got from Advanced Auto. I don't know yet, because sometimes when you take these things off, it might be different, but by the time I take that off, we're gonna match it up and see if it's the same. So we're just gonna go underneath there and then lose the screws, and I'll bring you guys back. KG, stay tuned. Let's go. We're doing it. All right, so this cover here is just held by 3 pins like this. One of them like that. See? You just use this thing, put it right there, pull it out. Those ones are still there. So when you come down here, there's a connector here. You disconnect this one right here. Sometimes it's so hard using one hand to video. And disconnect that. And disconnect this also. I can't hard doing that with one hand, my friend. All right, let me undo that. I'll bring you guys back. So just take your time with this. This thing was kind of a little bit hard for me to video it. I'll take it off. So I use this pick to push this and, so you don't break it. Okay? So we put that aside. So now we can have the space to go underneath here. So the blower motor is just here, as you can see. Here, head by just maybe like 3 screws or something. So first we disconnect it here, like so. Disconnect that. All right, let me do all this behind the camera so you see where the blower motor is. So this blower motor is held by just 3 screws. One here, and one here. These are the screws. You have to have, what did I use there? Is that a 15? Let's see. There's, 15. Okay? I see. Look, I'm gonna match it up and see if they are the same. Bodies, the bodies. So what I normally look for when I'm checking a blower motor, first I look at the plug. Okay? As I start from, okay, there's a 2 pin there, and you look at this one, there's a 2 pin. All right, then we'll take this off like so. The last time I did a blower motor on Nissan Sentra, yeah, you need to check out that. So everything was the same, but over here, See, like this one, the way it looks. So over here, that one was kind of longer. So when I put it in, the height was too high. It couldn't lock properly. You know, just like this one. If you look at the original one, this one is a little long. This one is short. Though I believe it will fit. All right, so I'm gonna go back in there and then put it in kgs. See, so these are the screws that hold it. One right there, one up here, and one behind this. So it's very easy. It goes right to one way. You can't miss it. Then you just put back the connector. Goes one way too. Can't miss it. I'm not saying what I'm doing. My hands is covering my face. So it's so hard to hold the camera, man. It's so hard to hold the camera with your one hand while you're walking. That's why sometimes I just like to do what I'm doing, then I explain later, you know. I know the owner should be happy right now. There's nothing like you're driving a car, the mechanism inside is working. Imagine you're driving, there's no heat or there's no air conditioner in the summertime, because the same blower motor control that, the air conditioner and the heater. When it's not working, you don't get anything, you suffocate. But anyways, this video was any useful to you, please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. Love you. I will see you on the next episode. Saying from New York City, Big Apple. Bye for now.